Introducing the Titan Tassla from Master, a fantastic kitchen tool made from tri-ply stainless steel. It's not just for cooking, it can do so much more. Of course, you can use it for cooking, but the Master Tassla is perfect for sauteing vegetables, ensuring even heat distribution for delicious results. Frying snacks like papads. The Master Tassla is great for deep frying, allowing you to achieve that perfect crispiness. The Master Tassla also shines when it comes to serving meals, whether it's rice, curries or dals. It adds nice touch to your dining table. Baking? Use the Master Tassla to mix your cake or pancake batter. Its size helps keep everything contained while you mix. Also, after frying snacks like samosas, you can place them in Master Tassla to cool. It allows excess oil to drain away while keeping them crispy. Making desserts. The Master Tassla is great for soaking those gulab jamuns in the syrup, ensuring they absorb all that sweet goodness. The Master Tassla is also perfect for tossing salads. Its wide shape makes mixing easy without spilling any ingredients. It's not just cookware, it's your kitchen's best friend.